What was the first reading like? I'm really amused कि जब ये तीन कलाकार मिले, what was that like? You must have met पहले भी socially, or was it आप में से किसी का ऐसा था कि पहली बार मिल रहे थे?
No, we had not met before.
I met both of them for the first time.
For the first time, what was it like? If you can elaborate.
I mean, the first time when I met Jimmy sir, there was absolute silence for 20 minutes. Me, Jimmy sir and Neeraj sir were sitting, and all we did was sabthi.
But why?
अब दो सीनियर्स थे, मैं तो चुपचाप बैठा हुआ था. I used to feel that it's my responsibility to keep the energy up, so I would end up
Small talk कर लेता
small talk कुछ नहीं सर, ये वैसे करके फिर वापस चुप हो जाता था क्योंकि ये दोनों जन कुछ बोलते ही नहीं थे. So that was my first experience with Jimmy sir. The first experience was अभी recently when we met for the film. We were in Agra, right? And
Yeah.
that's where we actually met directly for a reading, and we straight off. I think we straight off did the like we actually got on floor and started
shooting.
rehearsing, right?
Yeah.
No, we rehearsed that day also
Yeah, we
on the
rehearsed
chair.
that.
I think the first or second rehearsal. I think second rehearsal suddenly we got the sur, and then it just became very very easy. Just
Smooth.
yeah.
Anything that you have in your memory the first time you met?
Tamanna I had met a couple of times before, as in like socially here and there at premieres and all that. And Avinash, like he said, that situation was such that me and Neeraj were sitting, and suddenly Avinash comes in, and I was just I was dubbing somewhere or something, and Neeraj said, if you're around, why don't you just come to the office? And I said, chalo theek hai, I'll come have a coffee. I was having my coffee, and suddenly Avinash also comes, and then there was some 5-10 minute का pin drop silence जो होता है.
5-10 minute.
That was just
so long.
Because वही जो नीरज ने कहा कि जी that's Avinash, that's Jimmy and this that and all whatever, और फिर सब साइलेंस होके बैठ गए. थोड़ा शाम का वक्त था, मैं तो डेफिनेटली थका हुआ था, बट वो ही इज़ राइट, वो एक अजीब सा साइलेंस था 5-7 मिनट के लिए, और उसके बाद सबके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी आ गई और सब फिर बोलने लग गए. और जहाँ तक स्क्रिप्ट का सवाल है, आई थिंक मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दी गई थी, मैंने पढ़ी, मगर उसके अंदर प्री क्लाइमैक्स और क्लाइमैक्स मिसिंग था. तो मैं शायद वो 5 मिनट के लिए यही सोच रहा था कि क्या इसको क्लाइमैक्स पता है. तो so yeah, I mean that was it, but it was great fun shooting together.